Enjoying an uninterrupted drive starts with a simple habit: checking your tires. It's important to check them at least once a month, especially before or after a long drive, so you can be more confident on the road. To begin, make sure your car is parked in a safe location and turned off. Now, observe your tires for visible tire cord, cracks, split sidewalls, unusual bumps, punctures, or cuts. See any of these? Then you need to have your tires checked at the service center of your local Chevrolet dealership. A quick way to check your tire wear is by using a tire depth gauge. If it falls below the 2/32 of an inch mark, you need to have your tire replaced. If you don't have a tire depth gauge, try the penny test instead. Place a penny upside down in between the tire treads. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it means that the treads are worn and a replacement is needed. Or you can look closely for the tread wear indicators around your tire. If these are at the same level as your tread, it's time to bring your car in for service. Keeping a good tire pressure is also important to keep you safe. If your tires are underinflated, it can lead to overheating or even a blowout, irregular wear, poor handling, and reduced fuel economy. While if it's overinflated, it can also lead to uneven wear and give you a rough ride, as well as needless damage from road hazards. So what should your tire pressure be? Just look for the tire placard on the driver's side door jamb, or find it on the My Chevrolet mobile app. To check your tire pressure, refer to your car's tire pressure monitoring system, which will also alert you when your tire pressure is low. If the tire pressure monitor light comes on and stays on with an alert message, you need to check and adjust your tire air pressure to the recommended level. If you see a blinking yellow light for more than 1 minute, then your tire pressure monitoring system may be malfunctioning and diagnostic service is needed. You can also use a tire gauge to measure your tire pressure manually, or you can check it on the My Chevrolet mobile app. Just click on the vehicle status tile on the home screen of your app. If your vehicle is equipped, it will flash the turn signal lamp when you add air to an underinflated tire. And when the recommended pressure is reached, the lamp will stop flashing and the horn will sound once. Be sure to carry out regular tire checkups so you can keep the adventures rolling.